Hey whales, good morning. Happy Thursday. It's June the 12th. Let's recap the markets and go over Nvidia for today. And for those that don't know me though, I'm a full-time trader. I do these updates every single day. And to give you an idea in terms of how I'm doing so far for the month of June for my trades, you can see very solid start to the month so far, up 5.2k USD, 75% win rate, guys. So yeah, been super disciplined, very proud of myself as well. And from the calendar view here, again, solid start, and hopefully I can keep up the momentum for the rest of the weeks ahead. So I post all my trades, guys, every single trade that I take here in Discord. So you got to come join, right? For Nvidia, for instance, you get the entry zones, target stop losses. These were all winning trades. Robinhood as well, right? Broadcom. So all these here, even for swing trades, we made 103% on Oklo, guys. Yesterday we closed out. So 103% gainer. So you have to join. I look forward to trading alongside you and making a lot of money together. The link is in the bio for you to join. Okay, so with that said, let's jump into Nvidia. So for Nvidia, guys, now I am remaining cautiously bullish here. And the reason why I say cautiously is because there are some early warning signs that are starting to take into effect where we are starting to get some bearish divergences forming across different instruments. So for instance, for the S&P 500, right, we're still grinding higher. However, we did take this high, and you can see on the daily time frame here, right, this looks like a wave 3. Possible wave 5 is in if we cannot break higher on the S&P. So we just got to be a little bit careful in terms of over risking, especially at these levels, guys. All right, so for me, how am I going to be playing this? I'm only going to take 1 or 2 trades per day. I'm not over trading. I'll look for dips to buy on the 1 minute, 5 minute time frames, right, to keep pushing the markets higher because we are still in a bullish structure. I mean, this is still incredibly bullish in my opinion. However, do expect, if we do get a larger drop, a blue 4 to be put in place. Okay, so at any moment, we could have a 3 that gets put in place for a blue 4. Now we can't time a top. We don't know how a top's going to look like, but you know, just the roadmap overall gives me that sort of idea to not over risk, to play it a little bit more safer, but ultimately stay cautiously bullish and keep going with the trend in terms of my day trades. Right, I'm only looking for longs across Nvidia at this point. So you can see from the count, from the lows, 1, 2 in blue, 3, 4. Still working on a series of 3s, 4s, and 5s across these levels to finish off all of a wave 1. And you know, we're trying to see if Nvidia can actually break above the all-time highs. I think it has a good chance, right? All eyes are on breaking all-time highs, so let's see. And then once we do, most likely a pullback is going to occur for wave 2. We'll find support, and then ultimately, again, still going and trekking higher to 160, 170, 180, etc., etc. You can see my overall target for Nvidia from the swing lows to the swing highs as well. 168 is that main level that I'm looking at, right? So this wave 1, wave 5 can actually come all the way up to 168. So we don't know yet, right? But that's sort of what I'm looking at. So I'll keep you guys updated every single day. As long as sort of Nvidia can hold this main pivot, guys, the red 4 or even the black 4, it's still bullish against these pivots. So you can buy against these lows, use these lows as, you know, your main starting points for fib retracements, for extensions, etc., etc. So use those pivots. Until then, if you guys want my exact entries, guys, I'm telling you, you got to come join Discord, right? 103% on Oklo. We're going to make a lot of money across Nvidia as well. I have a few day trades for Nvidia coming up for today as well. So I look forward to seeing you here. And yeah, the link is in the bio once again. Talk to you soon and have a great rest of your Thursday. See ya.